economically what's going on in the United States and in the world. Debt ceiling, which is prevented, the bill is at the table of President Joe Biden to sign off. So inflation, so that part is not transitory. The salary, okay, salary can go up, but seldom salary would go down. On the other things, chip shortage, labor shortage, supply chain disruption, all of the three are improving quite good. And on foreign policy with Russia and China, no one knows there wouldn't be a war in the near future. So COVID surge in Europe, it seems that gradually people are numb to this, not like in 2020 April. So there wouldn't be that type of market crash. So far, Omicron has been identified in 20 plus countries. Fortunately, it looks like those symptoms are mild. So on November the 30th, Fed Chair Jay Powell said that the economy is very strong. Yes, indeed, it is not weak. Okay, everything is improving. Today at 8:30, we will see strong job numbers, at least neutral, not positive, but at least neutral. So far as from the pandemic crash until now, there are no larger companies bankruptcies. Okay, so you check previously the big market crash, there were big companies bankrupted. So let's look at SPX. You see, yesterday it bounced back very beautifully, and today in the pre-market it is down only a little bit. People are waiting for 8:30 the job numbers. You see the trend here, this trend line. Okay, on the resistance, it is a triangle form. So this is even it didn't touch this support at 44.80. So at least next while there will be no further down dipping. Bitcoin is, look, there is a bounce back here. Then there have been 5 days. It is forming a narrow consolidation pattern. So for the next while, I think Bitcoin will be going up. Then the gold, look, there's a trend line. Okay, several times that the candles touched the trend line. Then recently the downtrend, the price broke the trend line, but it seems now it is at a very strong support. Okay, whether or not it will be further going down, it looks like the momentum has been slowing down, and this day, today, it is showing a turning. It looks like it has reached its local bottom. Let's check the previous bottom. It is like this, then like this. Okay, so at the moment like this, it looks like it will be going up. Natural gas has been dropping significantly. So although it broke this support line at $4.16, it looks like today it will be turning around. This is NYMEX crude oil. Look, yesterday it reversed very beautifully. It looks like a big hammer. Okay, so today at the moment, the crude oil price is moving up. This shows that the momentum, the consensus of the market are turning around. I have 4 IPO stocks for you to consider to buy. Okay, look, 4 of them, the volume, huge volume, all of them traded over 1 million shares. Yesterday I bought this. I got an unrealized capital gain above the 10%. Look now, the ask price is much higher than the bid price. Okay, all of them, look. So a deep pullback from over $100, then now it is at 16. Okay, So you should expect a bounce back powerfully. Then the same thing, deep pullback. This is very new, okay? The IPO was launched 3 days ago. Here is the intraday 50-minute chart, simply because the chart looks very promising. The same thing, very beautiful chart. Yes, look, they are all similar. If you check my previous videos, you should understand this. Why IPO stocks? Because IPO stocks have some characteristics that other common stocks don't have. It moves up and down very vigorously, very powerfully. Just take advantage of the initial period of IPO. So usually there are no fundamentals, okay? It is being traded only by the psychology. What is the psychology? It is you buy cheap and you sell expensive, okay? When people think it is cheap, people jump in. When they think it is expensive, they start to sell. That is the way to trade IPO stocks. That is for today. Thanks for watching. Bye until next time.